What if I told you that thing that you're chasing isn't what you're really looking for? Whether it's that promotion, a raise, or that perfect body, just a drop in the bucket compared to what you really need. I've spent the last 30 years of my adult life trying to figure things out, and I'd like to share those perspectives with you today. So let's spend a few minutes together as I tell you what I've learned over those last 3 decades. Where did this come from? Well, last summer, my youngest son graduated high school, and he's getting ready to go overseas to study abroad. And I've been thinking about a letter that I want to write him to send with him in order to give him some words of wisdom as he goes into the next phase of his life. And all this got me really thinking about my life, what I've accomplished, and what I've learned. If I could go back and tell my 18-year-old self one thing, I'd say, time is the most precious commodity you have. You can't get one single second back, so live every minute like it counts. Because one day, you'll blink and it'll be 30 years since high school, and it'll feel like it was yesterday. Here's the thing about time. You get to choose how you spend it, how you live it, and who you spend it with. And if you're spending time with people who don't value that, you should reconsider that, because maybe they're not worth your time. Time is the only thing we can't make more of. And it's going to continue to pass whether you like it or not. So choose your time wisely, spend it wisely, and make every second count. In my adult life, I've had a handful of careers. I achieved the rank of Eagle Scout when I was 16, was promoted to my first supervisory position by the time I was 18. By 20, I was a corporate manager of one of the largest retail organizations in the world. In my late 20s, I changed over to emergency management and ran some of the largest sales sites after one of the nation's most devastating disasters in history. By the time I made it into my mid-30s, I was being presidentially appointed to run the federal resources for national level disasters in America. But every one of those jobs was just a vehicle, a way to pay the bills, a way to take care of my family, and more importantly, a way to teach me about life. Because it doesn't matter what you do, because who you are matters more. That is what will last. Through all of those jobs that I had, what I was really searching for was purpose. Why am I alive? What am I here for? What am I really supposed to do? Deep down, we all want that. We all want purpose. We all want to belong. We really all want to make a difference. And when you have that, when you have a reason to get up in the morning, life gets a whole lot easier. Here's another thing I've learned. The process of achieving can't be discounted. I tried to find purpose in so many things. Volunteering, giving my time, helping people, offering advice. But deep down, I think I was still trying to find something in here, in my heart. I learned that when you've got problems, help other people with their problems. Because when you do, your problems suddenly seem smaller. So when I face challenges, I tried to find other people with similar challenges and help them with theirs. If nothing else, it helped me take my mind off of my struggles, at least for a little while. But ultimately, the thing that I was really searching for was self-respect. I wanted to be proud of myself, to love myself, to be happy with who I was. For 30 years, I gave my time, my energy, my resources, when in reality, what I was really looking for was right here inside me. I just had to discover it, to tap into it, to be happy with who I was. So I personally think we were all built to be part of the greater good. When you love yourself, you can freely give that love to others without expecting anything in return. You're not helping other people because of the need for recognition. You're helping them because you care. And when we do that, when we help others find their own kindness and self-respect, we make the world a better place. Because even as divided as the world is right now, I genuinely believe that people still love one another. We still care. We still believe in each other. I can't fix the division, but I can believe that real love starts with self-love and that it spreads outward. So how do you sum up 30 years in just a few pages. Watch how you spend your time. Watch how you give of yourself. And most importantly, love yourself. Love who you are. Because when you love yourself, it becomes so much easier to love others. If you're still here at this point, I'd love it if you drop me a comment and let me know how you feel. That would mean so much to me. And if you're still watching, thank you. I appreciate every single one of you. 30 years in just a few minutes. Man, it's hard to believe.